Hey, welcome. Everybody wants to know how exactly I made this beautiful little stuff. I make it in my shed with the rudimental stuff. Let me show you. I have this plank I've made today. It's gonna be the roof plank. I have those plank I've made about 1 week. I just have a bench, so this sanding machine, which I don't have any paper, and this little one sanding, which I used and not properly paper, and this drill, and that's all I got for making all this pretty log house brick feeder. That's why I call them. Here I was having my first plan, make a big inventory of this plank, and after I just start to make them, and now I can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I have a 6th one. I don't know where she is. Maybe inside the house. And I prepare all those walls. Here we have the walls I made with simply the steel wire. I pass it to him, but not easy. I have made 2 parts. I will show you later, to squeeze them and cut them at the good place and pierce them, and after I can open my sandwich. It's like this. I'm gonna show you later. So this is wall, which every single log is up and down, because I just want the wall be sealed, but I don't want to lose the look of the log wood. So we just one side flat, but 2 sides up and down. And after I drop my bench, just a bit of blade, and I pass it all. Sorry for the sound. When I was reach this step, I have to make 2 stand here, which is easy to do. Just pierce some hole and find some little plug pieces and put this one here, which is a stopper, because don't want the food just all drop down. And after I can slide my 2 window, which is I'm not cutting the last one. I always make attention first, because it's stepping the window down just at the good height. As you can see here, if I show you one, the window is stepping at the same height of this, and that's have to be like this. And the roof is what we're gonna do today. I make all this in live. Maybe I got some flowers looking this. When I do this, I take this big piece and I cut it in 45 degrees just to assemble it after. And I make some hole, and I put just a little pin steel in my hole with some glue, and it's really strong after. And once I've made it, I just have to pierce 2 holes in the top, passing by the side. It's much easy. And once I have made these 2 holes, we can pass wire to and open it to add food like this and just drop it down. So this one have passed about 2 weeks outside, and it's 2 huge rain weeks, and the wood have worked a bit. I will have to pay attention next time. I will put the curve of the wood the other side. When I make my walls, I just use stuff like this, which I will open this. I have to open it really small. And I place this here. Oops, just a bit more. Okay. When I have placed it here, I can place all the logs here, and I have a steel plate which is not here, my stopper. And when I have placed all my logs to here, I switch that over, and I have to cut here, here, and here, here, and at the same time I can drill my hole to here, up to here, to pass my steel wire to make them strong. I'm gonna show you with what I'm filming when I'm working. I have made this little stand with a steering wheel, a boat steering wheel, with this ballroom stick. It's cut it here to fitting a bicycle tip, the handle tip of the bicycle, which holding the wheel, with some double-sided tape here, and it's little pieces of wood to make the right angle. And in business, selfie stick for river.